How to block YouTube ads for free in Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube ads for free in Microsoft Edge. This is very easy process. Simply follow the steps exactly as shown in this guide. So let's start the video. On your system, open Microsoft Edge browser. And then type Microsoft Edge add-ons. Then select Microsoft Edge add-ons, which is shown on your system screen. Now in search all add-ons search AdGuard Ad Blocker, and click on it. Now, click on Get then click on Add Extension. Your AdGuard Ad Blocker extension is added to your Microsoft Edge browser. Now, open the Extensions tab. Then here find the AdGuard Ad Blocker extension, and click on the pin icon that appears next to it. And that's it. This is how you can block YouTube ads for free in Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.